Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this window here of Telegram as you see, and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode, and you can turn on mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.